Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a document in Pages on your iPad. It's a really handy feature that lets you quickly add your signature to any document without needing to print or scan. We'll go over the simple steps to access the markup tools, create your signature, and then place it perfectly on your document. This process is straightforward and will save you a lot of time, making your document workflow much more efficient and completely digital. Let's get started. First, open the document you wish to sign within the Pages app on your iPad. Once your document is open, look for the three dots icon, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will reveal a menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to select either Smart Annotation or Markup, depending on your iPad's operating system version. This action will activate the drawing tools, allowing you to begin the signing process. Now that the markup tools are active, you'll see a toolbar at the bottom of your screen. Tap the plus icon, which usually looks like a circle with a plus sign inside. From the options that appear, select Signature. You can then either create a brand new signature using your finger or Apple Pencil, or choose from any signatures you've previously saved. Once created or selected, simply drag your signature to the correct spot on your document and adjust its size as needed. It's that easy. Once you've placed your signature exactly where you want it, tap the Done button, typically found in the top left corner of your screen. This action will save all your changes, including your newly added signature, directly within the Pages app. Your document is now officially signed. From here, you can easily share it with others. Simply tap the Share icon and choose your preferred method, whether it's sending it via email, using AirDrop, or sharing through another compatible application. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.